Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need the apps and permissions ready. Once done, begin on your watch. Open Strava on iPhone, tap Settings, then Privacy Controls. Grant health access to workouts, heart rate, and active energy. You must record the workout on the watch, either the native workout app or Strava's watch app, so health receives the data. You're starting the chain. Watch right arrow health, right arrow Strava. Do this now because without health sharing enabled, Strava cannot import that completed workout. Once your workout ends, look in the Health app to confirm a recent workout entry exists. Health is the transfer hub. Then open Strava and go to Settings, right arrow Applications, Services, and Devices. Make sure Strava lists health with workouts and heart rate toggled on. If your activity needs GPS track, make sure Strava and Watch have location services allowed. Set Strava to always. If the workout shows in Health but not in Strava, force close and reopen Strava to prompt an import. To finalize, wait a minute after saving a workout. Strava usually imports automatically from Health. If nothing appears, force close Strava and reopen. It checks Health on launch. If that fails, revoke and regrant health permissions to Strava, then record a short test workout. As a final troubleshooting tip, restart both iPhone and Watch to clear any background sync errors. This sequence fixes most issues. Make sure Health shows the workout first, because Strava can only read what Health contains.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.